Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A82 with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that phone used in this video is not actually A82. However, for educational and demo purposes, this Samsung phone is used, so don't worry about it. Let's learn how you can go for screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A82 with any Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to the Wi-Fi section and see what Wi-Fi is actually connected to your phone. Here, today 5G Wi-Fi is connected. So the same Wi-Fi should be connected to your TV too. So the phone and TV should be using the same Wi-Fi. Okay, and click on done here and go to your TV now and select the settings of your TV there. Just click on settings and click on network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi, and available signal around your TV will be showing here only one signal, that is to Thurai 5G. So my TV is also connected to Thurai 5G. So phone and TV are now connected to a common Wi-Fi called Thurai 5G. You can also use mobile network from your phone. That is, you can create a mobile hotspot from your phone itself here, and the same mobile hotspot can be used as a Wi-Fi for your TV. That will also work for screen mirroring. Okay, we can move on to the next step. Now come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and go for Google Home app. Just search Google Home app and install this Google Home app. Just wait for downloading and installing. If it is slow connection, just go and take a tea, and within drinking tea it will be finished. And yes, it is actually finished in my case, and just open after finishing downloading and installing. Yes, now click on get started and click on next. If it is asking any permission, just give any permission, and here this is important step, selecting email ID. That is, what email ID you have used in your phone and your TV, that should be same. That is, email ID that you are using in your phone for Google Home app and also in your TV should be same. So here I have used duraiprince@gmail.com is the email ID that I have already logged in my TV. So I am selecting it. If you select any other email ID, screen mirroring will not work. Okay, so carefully select the same email ID. Okay, and click OK and give next and give permission and click next and give permission. If it is asking you to turn on location through settings, don't go for it. It will take some time, longer time, and just skip this step and click on devices so that your TV device will be appearing in the screen. Yes, it is appeared in this name of Android TV. Just click on it and click on cast my screen here and click on cast the screen and click on start now to have the screen mirroring. Wow, screen mirroring is done. So what you see in your phone, that is also seen in TV. If you would like to control volume here itself, you can control. If you go out of the screen and if you would like to control volume, you have to use your TV remote. Just bring TV remote and just use plus symbol to increase volume, use minus symbol to decrease the volume. Okay. Then go for any other screen. Here I go to this page, journal, and this also opening in my TV. So in this way you can easily screen mirror from your phone Samsung Galaxy A82 with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.